let's break down AWS Route Tables with a super simple analogy you won't forget.
So how does data get around in the cloud? What if it's just like a neighborhood map?
Okay, so picture any neighborhood. You've got to have a map to get around, right? The map's job is simple. It shows you exactly which road you need to take.
And it tells you where every single street goes. That's pretty much it.
Now, in the world of AWS, your private neighborhood is called a VPC. And every good VPC has its own map. We call that a route table. This route table has one main job, telling all your data traffic exactly where to go. It's basically just a list of simple rules. If traffic wants to go here, it goes that way.
So, to get out to the internet, the map points to an exit called the NAT Gateway.
But to get to another spot inside your own cloud, the map keeps you on the local roads.
Okay, but how does this help with security? This is where it gets really cool.
Well, your public web server has a map with an exit right onto the internet highway. But your private database, its map has no exit. It's completely locked down and secure.
So traffic asks, how do I get somewhere? And the map just points the way.
And that's it. This super simple map system is exactly how AWS keeps your important stuff private.
All while letting the public parts of your application talk to the whole world.
So this map, it guides the traffic, it decides the path, and it makes the whole VPC work. So next time you hear route table, just think it's the map for your AWS neighborhood.